Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm making prosciutto-wrapped asparagus spears. This is really a great dish. You can serve it as an appetizer or as a side dish. I always make a little dipping sauce for it so that it's high fat, low carb, and just delicious. I think you're gonna love it. It's really simple too. So tell you what, let's get started. Now I start off with about a pound of asparagus. I trim it and wash it. Ends up to be about 12 ounces. That's 350 grams or so. I cut each slice of prosciutto in half. Here's a half a slice. And I take 3 asparagus stems, just like this, and I wrap up the end. And then just continue to wrap it up like this. And there we go. We can slide it up there just a little bit. And then I put it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 degrees Celsius. And here we go. Here I've got all of my bundles wrapped up. They're ready to go into my 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degree centigrade oven for about 10 minutes. Now while we're waiting, let's go ahead and make our dip. This starts out with 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, and I'll put my recipe for mayonnaise on the screen here. Now here we'll just scrape that into our bowl. I'm going to add in the same amount, that's 2/3 of a cup, 80 grams of sour cream. To that I'm going to add in a tablespoon, that's 15 milliliters, 15 grams of ketchup. Sugar-free ketchup, I'll put the recipe link on the screen here. And 15 grams, that's a tablespoon, of Asian chili paste, my sugar-free Asian chili paste. I'll put a link on the screen here. One more thing, we're going to add in half a teaspoon of dried chives. In they go, and we're just going to mix it together. And here they are, hot out of the oven after, in this case, 13 minutes. Depends on the asparagus, the prosciutto, your oven, and everything. Anyway, you can see the prosciutto was shrunk up nicely around each little bundle. We're going to let these cool down so you can handle them with your fingers. And then we're going to serve them with the sauce. Well, all right, let's give it a taste. Now, here we go. I think this is great. The prosciutto kind of shrinks up around them, and they don't really mess your hands up too much when you eat them. I'm going to just dip them a little bit in my portion of sauce here. Oh yeah. That is just delicious. Wow. The asparagus is just perfectly done. The prosciutto, it adds a salty flavor. It's really just delicious. It's a lovely, easy, savory appetizer. Very keto. Speaking of which, let's talk macros. Okay, for our little asparagus packages here, we've got, for the whole recipe, right, for all of these, and it made 14, 281 calories, 6 grams of net carbs, 41 grams of protein, and 12.6 grams of fat. Per little package, per each one of these, that means we've got 20 calories, 0.4 grams of net carbs, 3 grams of protein, and 1 gram of fat. For the dip, for the whole dip we made, it comes down to 758 calories, 9.4 grams of net carbs, 2.7 grams of protein, and 84.2 grams of fat. Now, per 15-gram tablespoon, that makes it 51 grams per portion, 0.6 grams net carbs, 0.2 grams of protein, and 5.6 grams of fat. Listen, before you go, don't forget to like, share, especially on Facebook, comment right here on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking, huh? We'll catch you next time.